adjustments there. Pero sa mga Cebuanos natin na nanonood ngayon, hello po sa inyong lahat. Panoorin niyo po ang Bida at abangan niyo Bida sa Arena in Cebu this coming September 2026.
Pero ngayon, it's time to award ang mga bumida dito sa court with our standout athletes sa ating awarding ceremony. Let's start with our special award, the player of the game, na malalaman natin mamaya kung sino. Abangan po natin ang awarding ceremonies natin kung sino kaya ang mga
This will be probably a mini-series.
Martin,
Diba?
may chance mag-rematch, may chance na bumawi ang Sparkle.
Yan yung gusto natin marinig. Of course,
Ultimate Celebrity Showdown!
Congratulations, Team Third Floor! Magkakaroon pa po tayo ng awarding ceremony for our Mythical 5 and of course our MVP. So malay nyo, meron din namang mabasama sa Mythical 5 from Team Sparkle. So supportahan din po natin sila.
good game, good game, good game, good game.
Good game, good game. Alam mo, kinabahan ng lahat. Sobrang saya ng fourth quarter. Talagang tumatayo na lahat. Sobrang ganda ng game.
Yun naman yung in-expect natin dito sa Bida sa Arena. Intense. Siyempre yung mga players natin, pinagandaan hanggang dulo. Yung Team Sparkle, hindi sila nagpatalo. Humabol, pero pinapos ka.
That's right, but everyone gave it their all. So palakpakan po natin ulit ang ating mga Bida sa Arena!
Okay, pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, and before we hand out the trophies, pasalamatan po muna natin yung mga sponsors natin for making Bida sa Arena possible. We begin with our co-presenters, Ara Magic Hair, Dear Claus, Tokyo Drive-In Customer Apparel.
We would also like to thank our sponsors, Summit Drinking Water, Aqua Plus Manila, Awesome Smile Dental Clinic,
Also thanking Visual Playhouse, Create, Capture, Celebrate at your newest playground, and the third floor gym.
thank you as well to Simcoe, San Isidro Multi-Purpose Cooperative, Balanced Life Holistics and Wellness Center, and Luxus Estetica.
And iulit na po natin pasalamatan Blitz, Protein Bar, RSL, Rhythm Sound and Light Trading Corp, and Sounddemic Audiovisual Solutions Incorporated. All right.
Pero alam mo, Martin, beyond the game tonight is about something bigger. Every cheer, every point, and every moment we share tonight goes toward a meaningful cause. And the excitement does not stop here dahil meron kaming good news para sa inyo!
Ito na, the biggest news of the night. Kaya naman at this point, we would like to call on the President of IVPH and Project Manager of White International. Let's welcome Ivor Julian.
The
Good evening, mga! Congratulations, Team Third Floor! Before anything else, I would like to thank all of the fans who came here tonight. Pero meron akong ipapanood para sa inyo. Please check our LED. Yes! Go! Ang ganda!
Ano kaya itong surprise na to? Good
Ang ganda!
news!
Again, LED. Yes! One more time. LED.
Abangan po natin itong lahat, mga kabida, lalo na sa lahat ng mga nabitin sa game na to. If you want more, watch this!
Yes.
Yan na.
Okay. Okay. Congrats, third floor.
This will be probably a mini-series.
Martin,
Diba?
may chance mag-rematch, may
Diba?
chance na bumawi ang Sparkle.
Yan yung gusto natin marinig. Of course, they'll be making adjustments here. Pero sa mga Cebuanos natin na nanonood ngayon, hello po sa inyong lahat. Panoorin niyo po ang Bida. At abangan niyo, Bida sa Arena in Cebu this coming September 2026.
Pero ngayon, it's time to award ang mga bumida dito sa court with our standout athletes sa ating awarding ceremony. Let's start with our special award, the player of the game na malalaman natin mamaya kung sino. Abangan po natin ang awarding ceremonies natin kung sino kaya ang mga
Yes, ito na. Okay. Let's talk to the significant others here.
Ay!
Uy,
Yung mga MVP sa
pause.
puso ng ating players.
Oh, yan. Sige, I'll start with Ashley first. What can you say to Mavi?
Actually, first off, can we invite everyone to please stand? Oh, dito
Sige.
tayo sa court, guys. Dito tayo sa court. Para mas makita
Tayo lang,
tayo ng
tayo
ating
lang.
fans sa bida sa arena.
Oh, di ba?
Ay, okay,
Impromptu.
quick message lang para sa sinusuportahan nyo. Go ahead.
Message.
Let's start from
Oh,
Cassie.
sige.
Let's go, Team Sparkle. We love you so much and we know you guys can freaking do it. Let's go!
Let's go!
Team Sparkle!
Choice!
Yes!
Ano?
Let's go, Sparkle!
Ayan. Kanina si Shuvi, tatakay pa ng mukha eh. Di ba? Habang nakakashoot si Anthony eh. Okay. Bianca.
Let's go! Dustin!
Oh, Ashley.
Let's go, Sparkle! Let's go, number 13, Legaspi!
Hey. Thank you.
Sobrang saya naman na makita na may ganito kagaganda na mga nag-cheer, di ba? Para sa
Lahat ng
Sparkle.
Team Sparkle. Siya lang yung Dustin. Isa lang. Ah,
Akalain mo yun, no?
Wala.
Lahat sila, syempre, di ba, nakaka-proud talaga na makita yung buong laro. So, ayan, so, let's go, team!
ganun po ba? Bianca.
Bianca, alam mo kasi syempre meron ditong mga pumunta dito for the players, pero kanina mayroon tayong nakausap na chefy.
Oo
So,
nga.
you know, ikaw, ano bang message mo sa lahat ng chefies? Ayan, to everyone who came here, maraming salamat po for your support. Andito sila! Hi, our chefies! Ayan, actually, I think this is their second time watching Dustin's basketball game, but this is my first time. So, yes, I'm so happy to be here with all of you. Let's go, team!
Grabe.
Pwede bang sulitin na natin dahil nandito nga si Bianca. Meron bang nakwento sa'yo sa preparations niya? Kinakabahan ba siya going the game? Preparation. Kumusta? Kumusta
Sabi na,
siya?
kumusta ba siya?
Punta-
Nahirapan ba siya sa
Oo.
practice?
Kinakabahan ba siya? Ano? Paano ba to? I think parang medyo
of course, the kaba will always be there because it only means that he cares a lot. But then, I know naman na tuwing kanina na nakikita niya kami yung confidence kahit
Nakikita niya.
kinakabahan. Alright, thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Please go back to your seats. Please enjoy the game. Pero sa ngayon, kung nabitin tayo sa Vision, meron pa isang P-pop powerhouse who will perform for us. Please give it up for the female alphas of P-pop, G20.
Black Rocket Beats.
Basket is good for River Rose. Ball number 17. Substitution. Aubrey Perez returns the ball game for the Sparkle. Substitution. Tristan Ramirez replacing Johnson. Foul number 28, Mateo Gonzalez. That is first whistle foul. 2 free throws for Argel Cyclone.
May bakal yung pa. Ay, wala na. Talo na kanina. Ubus kayo ngayon dito. Wala na. Kahit ano pa kami.
Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the very exalting Bulgarian, my final score is relative to 89. Once again, this is your Vida Arena Ultimate Celebrity Showdown.